Fire damage Re-Gotch Inn near Trosfinid to be rebuilt. Plans to rebuild a fire-ravaged pub have been given the green light by Snowdonia National Park planners. Large parts of the Grade II listed 16th century Re-Gotch Inn near Trosfinid were destroyed in the blaze in October 2018. New proposals approved by planning officers would see the pub rebuilt to include three holiday lets, 12 full-time jobs would be created by the development according to the planning documents. The Re-Gotch Inn suffered a devastating fire in October 2018. The supporting documents say blaming a fault with an electric heater in the kitchen, part of a 1930s extension. The fire spread rapidly, causing extensive damage to all areas, with exception of the bee holes and gatehouse. The application said the owner appreciates, despite the extent of fire damage, that a lot of the important features detailed within the list building description survive. The owner's proposals, therefore, look to enhance and preserve these features. Externally, the fire offers the opportunity to enhance the building's significance through repair using historic materials and techniques. Three self-contained short-term holiday let, lets, lets would be added, hoping to bring more visitors to the area and increase tourism to Snowdonia National Park. And that's it.